How to hide BeReal posts from certain followers. Hi everybody, in this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to hide BeReal posts from certain followers. Now BeReal does not have a native hide post from specific friend feature. However, you can manage who can see your BeReal post from the following method. So what you want to do is simply want to go ahead and open the BeReal app, and there you just want to make sure to go ahead and open up the friends list. And when you have these, you could just go ahead and toggle that open, and here you just want to tap onto the friends that you want to remove, right? So you just have to tap the three dot icon, and then you have to remove the followers. So when you do this, when you follow them, you could simply unfollow them and tap the three dot icon, and you could go ahead and remove them. This is the only way you will be able to hide BeReal posts from certain followers. Next other way is to block the user. So you have to do the same thing, come to the same page and tap the three dot, and there you have block. And this way you will be able to hide BeReal posts from certain followers as well. And other than that, you will not be able to hide it. But whenever you're posting it, what you could do is actually open the BeReal app and take a snap, right? You take a photo, and once you do this, you will be able to see this sort of speech, right? You could simply go ahead and select my friends, and you could just go ahead and select public or just my friends, and accordingly you could select them. And this way you should be able to hide as well. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.